Here I have Huawei MatePad 11.5, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by tap on it once you can start recording. By holding your finger on it, nothing really happens. So you just tap agree. Here you have this quick tutorial. So for example, here you can switch microphone, and here you can tap to end recording. So as you can see, now it's on. Here you can switch your mic. Here you can switch touches on the screen. So to stop recording, tap on this middle button, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the special recordings album, into the screenshots. And here is our recording. From here you can From here you can share, favorite, edit it, you can also delete it and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.